Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got another unboxing for you, and it is an advent calendar by Ted Baker. This is the gorgeous box. It's really pretty. I really love the design. I got this from Boots. It retails for £46. On the website it doesn't have a value, but it contains 27 indulgent bath and beauty treats and a few festive surprises as well. I think this is the first time I've bought a Ted Baker calendar. I've been doing this now for a couple of years and I can't remember in all honesty, but I don't think I have bought one before. But I took advantage of a great offer Boots had on the other day, so I bought a couple of calendars up to my points and got a bit of a discount off as well because I had some credit already there. So yeah, so I bought a couple of calendars which I'm going to be unboxing over the next few days. You might have already seen the Macmillan advent calendar that was posted recently. You'll find links to this advent calendar and my advent calendar playlist and all the other calendars on the Boots website. You'll find it all listed down there, so you're welcome to take a look if you want to. So let's get on. Oh, I just broke it. Look, I pushed that back too far. Never mind. Day number one, down here. I'm hoping for lots of lovely, gorgeous smelling products and nothing rose, if possible. We have got here a violet and bergamot body souffle. I know I'm going to like this because in the Macmillan calendar we had a body cream. There's 50 mils here. Look. Oh, okay. Let's try a bit there. Oh, it does smell beautiful. It smells so lovely. Yeah, really nice. I love that smell and it feels really nice and soft on my skin. Yeah, that was beautiful. So day one off to a good start. Day number two up here, got a little sachet. Little sachet of violet and bergamot, the same scent as the body souffle. This is a moisturizing eye mask. All right. Unwind and indulge in Ted's moisturizing violet and bergamot under eye mask, delicately scented with notes of sheer flowers, soft berries and creamy woods for a refreshing finish. Apply it underneath your eyes, leave for 10 to 15 minutes, remove and gently massage any remaining serum into the skin. Just a one-use eye mask there. So I've got to bear in mind this is a £46 advent calendar. If this was a £100 advent calendar and we were getting sachets, I'd not be happy. But we'll see. We're just starting. Okay, day number three over here. And I've got Rose and Cassis body souffle. So another body cream, 50 mils. Okay, how rosy is it? No, it's not too bad. That's what it looks like. Okay, let's try a little bit on there. It smells like Soap and Glory. Maybe that's what Soap and Glory is. I was saying in another video, what is the scent of Soap and Glory? Maybe it's Rose and Cassis, because that smells almost identical to Soap and Glory's signature scent. Yeah, that's fine. Fine by me. No strong rosy smell there. So here's that. Day number four. Up here, and we have got a body wash, raspberry and orange body wash. Oh, I love a fruity wash. 50 mils. Okay, beautiful packaging, isn't it? Really pretty. Right, I can't smell it properly. Let's put it there. Oh, it's mixing in with the others. Oh, okay, yeah, I'm not going to squirt it too much because we all know it's going to shoot up my nose, but it is really nice. Yeah, that is lovely. That is really nice. What is it? Raspberry and orange blossom. I love that. Day number five, down here, we got some makeup. And I got a little quad palette. So there's a mirror there. And those are the shades. Oh, have I tried any makeup from Ted Baker before? Not highly pigmented. If you're looking for a very nude, natural sort of makeup, then those shades are really pretty. They are really pretty. They don't come out super strong shade. But yeah, let's have a go with this one, the darker one, a little bit more. Yeah, you can see there. Maybe it was just me. Maybe I didn't apply too much pressure. A nice little palette there. Day number six here. And we've got a mascara. I like that. Well, I like the outside anyway. I think it's mascara, I'm assuming. Yes, it is. If you've tried any Ted Baker makeup before, please let me know what you think. Is there a particular name? No, just Ted Baker. It's got mascara. Day number seven. Oh, we've got an orange and raspberry body lotion, and there's 50 mils here, so I can have a proper smell of it now. I'm going to have to apply all of these all at my arm so that they don't overlap with each other. Oh, it's so nice. Yeah, it's not super fruity. It's so nice. It actually reminds me of a perfume I've smelt, and I can't think what. Yeah, I really like that. And then that's my favourite smell so far. Day number 8, a sheet mask in raspberry and orange blossom as well. So we're getting a collection going on here. And what does this do? It will leave your skin feeling beautifully refreshed, delicately fragranced with opulent orange, zesty lemon and golden raspberry notes for a positively pampering pick-me-up. And it's got information on the back then how to use it. You apply it to your face, leave it for 15 to 20 minutes and then massage any excess into your skin. Day number 9, I think. Oh, I'm losing it a lot earlier this time. In the middle. Soap. I adore soaps that are wrapped up in paper. I've got a bit of an obsession for them. I've got a drawer with loads of them that I've got from abroad, and when I've received them in beauty boxes, I can't use them because they just look so lovely wrapped up like a little parcel. Oh, it's stupid, isn't it? It's stupid. Are any of you like me? I don't know. Oh yeah, that's lovely. We've got the violet and bergamot soap. So we've had the body lotion, or the body souffle I think we've had so far. But look at it, isn't it beautiful? Oh, I love wrapped up soaps. I am a bit weird, I know. Day number 10. Oh, violet and bergamot body spray. 50 mils. Okay. Oh, it's so nice. It's so nice. I wonder how long lasting these sprays are, but it's a nice size to pop in a handbag to top up. Yeah, it's just really lovely. They're just nice subtle smells. They're just, you know, they're not too sickly sweet, which I don't like. They're not too overpowering. Just a beautiful, lovely scented spray. Yeah, I like that violet and bergamot. I think we're on day 11. I think so. Yes. And I got a hand cream in violet and bergamot, and there's 50 mils there. Can you imagine having all of these like on a shelf in your bathroom or somewhere? They're really pretty, aren't they? Okay, where am I going to try this? I'll try a little bit up there. Oh no, try on my hands. It's a hand cream. Hand cream. Only a little bit, because there might be more in there. Yeah. Ah, smells nice. Yep, it feels nice as well. So we've got a hand cream. Day number 12 over here. And I've got a lipstick. There's no information. Oh, lip gloss. Yes, I was going to say no information on there. It's a lip gloss, but it doesn't have a shade. Let's try it. It looks a lovely nude. A nice nude. Yeah. There we go. I like that. Day number, oopsie, 13. Some eyelash curlers. I wonder how many of these I'll get in advent calendars this year. I still prefer the ones in the Macmillan calendar yesterday. They were cool. They just had a really cool grip to them. But yeah, it's eyelash curlers. I can't make it any more fancy pants than that. Day number 15. Ooh, I thought there wasn't anything in there. We've got a brush, an eyeshadow brush. We're on one end, we've got a little smudger brush. So great for like smudging in eyeliner or adding in some eyeshadow underneath your eyes. If you use a big fluffy brush, for instance, then you just get panda eyes. You've got more control with a smaller fluffy brush. And then this looks angled, but I don't think it's supposed to be. It looks a bit angled. And I don't think it's supposed to be. I think it's just been squished in transit. But yeah, so it's more of a bigger fluffy brush. Day number 16. Oh, gorgeous red nail polish there. I have my nails done in a salon, so I don't ever put nail polish on these fingers, but I do on my toes. I do on my toes, although I'm going through a process of healing my fungal nail infection at the moment. If any of you have seen my Look Fantastic monthly haul videos about July, I think it was the July video, I bought a fungal nail light lotion to put on my nails twice a day. There's no way I'm showing you my nails, so please don't ask, because I'll never show my nails, my feet even, because they're horrible. But what I'm noticing, I'm not wearing shoes now because I never wear shoes. What I'm noticing is that my nails are growing, and all the white bits that supposedly is the fungal nail is growing out. So I've got nice looking normal nails underneath all the white. So give it a couple of months or so and it'll be gone, hopefully. Anyway, I haven't noticed that with any other fungal nail infection treatment before. So far so good, but I just thought I'd give you an update there while I showed you a nail polish. Day number 17. Oh, these are lovely. Look, can never have enough tweezers. I know you only need one, but because they're so small, I lose them all the time. So I've got many dotted around everywhere. I really like them. Great for plucking the odd chin hair. Great for applying false eyelashes. Yeah, they're just really pretty. I love the design of them. So we've got another pair. Day number... Oh, look, I've missed day number 14. How on earth did I miss that? Oh, I'm sorry. You're probably there thinking, Claire, look, what is this? Bath salts, rose and cassis bath salts, 100 mils. We don't have a bath anymore, unfortunately. But whenever I get stuff like this, oh, it just smells really nice. Soap and glory. That's what it smells like. I put them in foot baths. So we got a little foot bath, and yeah, I've got all salts and things in there. So that's what I'll be doing with that. Okay, going back to the numbers, I think it's 18 we're on, day 18. We've got a rose and cassis, a body spray, 15 mils. And 15, did I say 15? It's 50. Yeah, that's lovely. That's so nice. If you hate soap and glory, you will not like this. No. Day number 19. Oh, it's a cuticle oil. I was thinking violet and bergamot, like clear gel for your nails or something. No, it's a cuticle oil, but it's in the scent of violet and bergamot. How lovely is this? Oh, let's add some on my nails there. Just a few. Just rub it in. I love cuticle oils. Again, I've got a few dotted around everywhere, in my car, my handbag, by the side of my bed. Very subtle. It is very subtle. But no, that's nice. And it looks smart as well. Did I show you my excitement there? I forgot. Day number 20. We got a lipstick, I think. Lipstick, yeah. Oh, and we've got a shade as well. It is nothing. It's just a number. But it looks a nice shade, like a rusty... Oh, no, it's a nude. A nude. And it looks different, see? There. That's a nice one. Will that go? Yeah. Oh, that is lovely. I really like that. I really, really like that. It's a brownie pinky nude. The sort of colour, that nude lipstick that I go for. Oh, yeah, really, really happy with that. Right then, day number 21. And it won't come out. I don't know what it is. A brush. Certainly not for your face. Do you know what it looks like? I used to be a hairdresser and I still got a hairdressing kit. I do hair for friends and family and it looks like a horse hair brush that I've got in my hairdressing kit. It's a nail brush. A nail brush. Cleaning your nails. Oh my gosh. I haven't seen a nail brush in a long time. That's quite smart though, quite nice to leave in the bathroom there. Day number 22. And we got a nail file. Look how lovely that is, the design. It's so pretty. Because funnily enough, even though I have my nails gelled, sometimes my natural nails that are underneath, because I have tips on them, because my nails are so thin, they just break all the time. Sometimes they curl, they grow outwards. So then I need a file just to remove my natural nail underneath it. So yeah, so I do use them. Day number 23. Oh, we've got a makeup removing pad. A nice big squishy one. I love these. I prefer these pads than the cloths. We've got a big box of them. Our bathroom's downstairs. Got a big box of them downstairs. Me and my daughter use them all the time. The boys don't use it. So it's just me and my daughter, but we always gravitate towards these pads, like the halo pads as well, and I've had some from Lacura and Aldi, but they're just nice and soft, and they get your makeup off really well. So there's that. Day number 24, and I'm assuming there's a few things in here because we're supposed to have 3 extra items. It does feel heavy. I'm confused. I am confused. Have we had more than 1 item in a box? There's 24 doors. There's 27 products. I've got dyscalculia, so maybe there's a bit of an issue going on there. Maybe I read it wrong off the Boots website. But nonetheless, we have got a full-size Violet and Bergamot body wash, 200 ml. Beautiful. Really happy with that. Love, love, love the smell. Love a body wash. That's going to go straight down into my shower, as I'm not going to keep these for Christmas because it's still summer. So those are all the products inside this year's Ted Baker Beauty and Bath Treat Advent Calendar. £46. My first Ted Baker Advent Calendar, and I am really pleased. I really, really love the products. Gorgeous scents, really, really beautiful. A great mix of products as well. Yes, I know we got an eyelash curler and I know I'm going to get loads more as the months go on in different advent calendars. That's sort of become the norm. But besides that, I think it has a really great mix of body care and makeup as well. Some really gorgeous lipsticks, and yeah, no, I really like it. I think for £46, I think it's a really nice advent calendar. But I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of it? Have you bought it for yourself? Is it on your radar? I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you in the next video. Take care. Bye.